Hi viewers, this is Phone Clinic and you're with Engineer OC. Today I want to show you how to bypass this menu setup, this screen pinned on this phone called OI. Majorly, this is a common phone that has been hacked. So in order for you to bypass this menu without stress, all you have to do, even if you press the back button, it will not respond, and all the home keys cannot. Press the options, this is what will come out. So in order for you to bypass this or to come out of this, what you do is you power off the phone. Power off the phone. After switching off the phone like this, you open the cover. You can see. You can see. Here are the information about the phone. So what you need to do, put in back your battery, and then here are your power keys. This is your power key, and this is your volume up, and this is your volume down. Now all you need to do, you press the volume up and the power key simultaneously, and then you keep holding it. Press and hold until it powers on. Keep holding, and then you leave it. Then you use the volume up key to select, to scroll to recovery mode, and then you press the power button down to select, and then you wait for the recovery menu to pop up. Keep waiting. Keep waiting, and here it is. Now what you need to do, you press the power button, and then you press the volume up button, but not simultaneously. You press the power button and then you press the volume up. You see the menu. Then you scroll down to wipe data, and then scroll down to yes, delete all user data. Then after you are done, then you go to reboot system now. Then you wait for it to boot. See it's booting. Then wait for it to open. After booting, this menu will come up, and then you press start. Then skip. Set up as new. Don't use any network. Then next. Then stick on continue next. You can write your name here. Then you write in your name, Engineer OC, as the name of the phone, and then you click next. You can use any security pattern at all. Then you can use continue. You can set any other settings later, and click like this. Just back it. Press the back button, and then once it opens like this, you are not yet done. remaining one more steps. You see this app here? Go and disable it in settings. Go to settings and then look at the app and then disable the app. If not, that menu will still come up, so you disable it and then you are done. After doing this, you have completed your configuration. Now, even though you can switch it off and on it to not go back there anymore. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Phone Clinic, for more details. Thank you.